There are actually extremely few instances where I'll say this. Right now I have the X-H1 with the vertical grip and the GODOX 685 speedlight and the X Pro trigger sitting on there. Here you'll notice I'll actually rotate between rear curtain, auto FP, which is high speed sync. You'll notice on the X Pro trigger that communication between those two for high speed sync, rear curtain, and normal flash photography works instantly. Also TTL, 5 stops of flash comp. Together this speedlight, which is $110 and $70 I believe on the Fujifilm X Pro trigger, together they're $180, could be $170. I've got 3 of these, 2 for Nikon and also 2 for Fujifilm. If you have a X-H1 camera that you're getting or have purchased, I'm actually simply going to say just shut up and buy it. It's one of my maybe half dozen times out of 4,700 videos I'm going to say this. It's that just shut up and buy it. For $180, this speedlight along with the X Pro trigger on the Fujifilm. And I sent the other X-H1 back where I borrowed it from. This is my X-H1 with vertical grip, but still done several days of testing with the X Pro trigger and the GODOX. Absolutely fantastic. Also, too, this is the only absolutely reliable and done a lot of testing and continuous high shooting between the X Pro trigger and high-speed sync. Not only regular flash photography, but also continuous high and high-speed sync. Flawless communication between the Fujifilm X-H1, the GODOX X Pro trigger, and the 685 speedlight. Just absolutely marvelous. What do I have? I think I've got over 50. I've got over 55 speedlights. As much so with lenses, certainly so with speedlights. I call myself the god of speedlights, and that really is an understatement. You'd really be so happy. So if you got an X-H1, spend $170. I think it's $170 to $180 for both of these together as a group package. Just buy it. Literally, just purchase it. You'd be so happy. And go back into menus. Out. There we go. Mode. Static, TTL, manual. Back TTL. There we go. Let me know if you have any questions or videos you'd like to make, tips or tricks on the Fujifilm X-H1, and I'll catch you later. These work better so than any camera system and speedlight and radio trigger that I've ever used. Specifically so in HSS and also too simultaneously continuous high shooting. Never seen anything like this. Really, really great. Perfect communication. This is as close to flawless radio communication, HSS, and continuous high shooting as I've ever seen. Continuous high, TTL, and HSS, actually all 3 simultaneously, as I've ever seen out of any system, ever. So, literally, just shut up and buy it. Thanks so much for watching, catch you later, and enjoy your X-H1.